crops have dried out. Why did the drought come back?
Oh no!
We have to go transport water.
Hey, what's it taking so long?
Superstar! Oh no!
Huh?
Oh my god! Okie dokie! We've got the water. Let's move. This is frightening. Superstar!
That's it, the answer is right up there.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Okie dokie! Take some more meat to lure the crocodile. Spaghetti meatballs and pizza pie.
Hey, what's it taking so long? I can't move anywhere.
Let's go! Now we're going to place the meat to lure the crocodile. All right, let's hide now. Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Better call roadside assistance. Help me! Rescue officer!
The North Dam has burst. I repeat, the dam has burst. We need immediate assistance at the enclosure. The North Dam has burst. I repeat, the dam has burst. We need immediate assistance at the enclosure.
Spaghetti meatballs and pizza pie.
Hey, what's it taking so long?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada ba.
I can't move anywhere.
Superstar! Okie dokie!
Hey, what's it taking so long?
subscribe to my channel.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! What should we do now?
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Here we go! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Let's go!
Okie dokie!
Here we go!
Oh no, are you okay?
Oh no! We need to bandage the wound. Come on, up you go.
Let's go! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay! Okie dokie!
We need to build a cowshed. Oh no! Please, Ray, run out of wood.
Here we go! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Let's go!
Okay! Okie dokie!
I sit and so tired.
Okie dokie!
Time to cook rice.
Oh no!
Please like and subscribe to the Little Monkeys channel.